Hey there! If you're heading to Madrid and want to see the best of the city without stressing about buses or maps, the hop-on, hop-off bus tour is the way to go. Let me show you how it works and why it's honestly a game changer. So here's the deal. It's a big red open-top bus that drives around Madrid all day. You can hop on at any stop, hop off when something catches your eye, then hop back on whenever you're ready. Easy, right? Just grab a 24 or 48-hour ticket online or at the stop. There are two main routes. One covers old-school historic Madrid and the other takes you around the modern side. The bus comes every 15 to 20 minutes, and there's even an audio guide to tell you cool stuff as you go. Some stops you have to check out. Puerta del Sol, super lively, great for people watching. The Royal Palace, stunning architecture. Plaza Mayor, grab a snack and soak in the vibe. Prado Museum, for art lovers. Santiago Bernabéu, yep, Real Madrid's home. And of course, Gran Vía, Madrid's main shopping street. That's it. The hop-on, hop-off bus is fun, flexible, and a super easy way to explore Madrid. No planning needed. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more travel tips, and tell me in the comments, where are you hopping off first?